Pay close attention to the signals from the indicator. 125 pips, 118 pips. And now here's the simplest trading guide for this indicator. In the previous guide, I told you to use the ADX indicator, the average directional index. But in this video, you won't need it anymore because I've already integrated the ADX into my indicator. So please try to remember the following key points to apply and make the most out of this indicator. As for the green and red signals, these two colors always come with a label. When the poor trader value is below 26, those are entry signals that you can act on immediately once the alert appears. Here, we have a red signal. Red means you can enter a sell trade right away. Regarding profits, if you want to play it safe, you can take profit early. Otherwise, you can hold the trade until a green or light blue signal appears. And the result? We gained 68 pips. Let's take note of this to track how profitable the indicator is and what its win rate looks like over time. Next are the light blue and magenta signals. These come with a label of 26 or higher. For signals with these two colors, we skip them and do not enter any trades. We only take trades when the signal is green or red. And we made a profit of 85 pips. On this sell trade, we gained an additional 55 pips. Next are the last two signal colors, dark blue and orange. These signals will have a label of 50 or higher. For these two signals, if it's dark blue, either enter a sell trade or skip it. If it's orange, either enter a buy trade or skip it. In this case, since it's dark blue, we'll hold the sell trade until a green or light blue signal appears. That's when we close the trade. See, we still managed to make 62 pips. In this green buy trade, after holding a drawdown of over 100 pips, we only took 27 pips in profit. There's still risk with this kind of simple trading strategy, especially when trading without a stop loss, right? For green and red signals that appear too close to each other, hold off on DCA entries. Only add more DCA trades if the signals are spaced farther apart. In this case, we entered a sell trade when the red signal appeared. Then, when a magenta signal showed up, we added another DCA entry. This second trade used double the lot size of the first sell. Once you've added the second DCA trade, if you're in profit, consider closing the trades early. No need to wait for a green or light blue signal anymore. In this example, both sell trades ended in failure. We have to accept the loss. The first sell trade lost 130 pips, the second made 98 pips, so overall we took a loss of 32 pips. In this case, we can consider it a break-even or a small loss. For example, at this point, after adding the second buy DCA entry, you should consider taking profit early. If you don't close the trade there, you'll be forced to add a third DCA entry, and this one needs to have 4 times the lot size of the first trade, then hold and wait. Let's say you've entered 3 DCA trades and held them. When a red or magenta signal appears, the first trade ends with a 35 pip loss, the second makes 30 pips, and the third gains 624 pips. So clearly, after following 12 consecutive signals exactly as instructed, we've accumulated around 1,1300 pips in total. Of course, there will be times when the market moves against us, even if we follow the indicator strategy correctly, but those would just be temporary drawdowns. Once the market stabilizes, won't we return to profit? That's why I always remind you to manage your capital strictly and use the smallest lot size possible. With a $250 account, you should only trade 0.02 lots, or even 0.01 lots if you can. The smaller the lot, the lower the risk, and the healthier your account stays, so you can handle DCA drawdowns as instructed. And don't forget, this is just a basic indicator-based trading method with no technical analysis involved, so of course there will be risks, and you need to be prepared for the worst-case scenario. If possible, try using the indicator as guided in the new video series, the Double Your Account Daily Journey with this indicator. Trading that way will be much safer. Make the most of this indicator, and I wish you profitable trades with no more losses. I am Tenero Trader, helping you trade better.